Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best in beauty and skincare. Today, we've got something truly special to share with you. If you're looking for the best solution for dry, cracked, and chapped lips, then this Brooklyn Botany Lip Scrub Exfoliator is the answer you've been searching for. This isn't just any lip scrub, it's the ultimate treatment for your lips, and trust me, you're going to want to know about it. This lip scrub is packed with natural and nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Each of these ingredients brings its own powerful benefits to help hydrate and repair your lips, leaving them feeling soft, smooth, and moisturized. The gentle exfoliating formula effectively removes dry flakes and dead skin, allowing your lips to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. It's perfect for anyone who suffers from cracked or chapped lips, especially during the colder months or if you're frequently exposed to dry air. One of the standout features of this product is the refreshing peppermint flavor. It's not only invigorating, but it also leaves a cooling sensation on your lips, making it feel like a spa treatment every time you use it. And the best part? It's free from parabens, preservatives, and cruelty, making it an ethical choice for conscious beauty consumers. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. Simply apply a small amount of the scrub to your lips and gently massage in circular motions. Once you've exfoliated, just rinse off the product and instantly notice how much smoother and softer your lips feel. It's really that simple. Whether you're getting ready to apply your favorite lipstick or just want to give your lips some extra TLC, the Brooklyn Botany Lip Scrub is a must-have in your beauty routine. It's not only effective but also affordable, delivering excellent results without breaking the bank. So, if you're tired of dry, flaky lips and want to bring some life back into your pout, give this lip scrub a try. With its nourishing ingredients and refreshing peppermint flavor, it's the best way to keep your lips looking and feeling their best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product critiques here at Product Critique.